Hey guys, this is Billy from Glenn's Quality Cars, and today we have a very interesting car. It is a Series 2 VE SSV Z Series. So this is the very last of the VEs. This was a 2013 build. It is a MY 12.5. It's also been fitted with a performance camshaft as well, as you can hear. This has the performance brake package also, so you've got Brembo brakes on the front. Also a very unique feature on a VE, it does have a sunroof as well. This car is in fantastic condition. There is not a single mark on it. The paintwork's immaculate as well. There's no swirl marks or scratch marks or anything. It's very well looked after. Got 57,000 Ks on the car. The Z Series has slightly different seats as well to a standard SS. We do have the logbooks as well, with service history. You've got Bluetooth, 6-speed manual, cruise control, navigation, sports pedals, the whole lot. I'll just show you under the bonnet as well, because there's been a little bit done to it. So we've got a OTR intake there. And as you can see, it's obviously had a extractors fitted to the car. Thanks for watching. This car is available at Glenn's Quality Cars. We are located at 3 Groves Avenue, Mulgrave, and our contact number is 4577 6133. Call and ask for Billy. Thank you.